Friday the 8th of June, my name's Steve Buswell and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. We'll begin with the technical analysis. Up first is the euro dollar. Price has reached support S1 and could probably bounce and then further fall below this level towards S2 support can be awaited. If price doesn't rebound from this level, further fall will open its way towards S3 support. Based on the conclusions for each indicator, we're expecting a bearish trend. Now let's move on to the dollar yen. Price has declined below daily pivot and now is heading towards support S1. If the dollar franc rebounds, it will be indicating that the next upward momentum continues after a small correction and will target R1 resistance. But there is a chance for further fall below first support and price could approach support S2. The conclusions made by Axiory's chosen indicators show a bearish trend. Next up is the sterling dollar. If price holds above daily pivot, we can expect retesting previous low and support S1. Further fall will approach S2 if price doesn't rebound from first support, which would be indicating that latest development was only a correction and sustained rise above daily pivot will be indicating target R1. The summary of our indicators show a bearish trend. Our last technical analysis about the dollar franc. After price rebounded and rose above daily pivot, is now testing resistance R1. We're expecting price will hold its momentum and then will continue above this focus and next target R2, where price may be limited and further rise. The vast majority of our indicators show a bullish trend. Today we'll start with the first monthly numbers about PPI input, which will be released at 9:30 AM GMT. In a previous month, PPI fell by 1.5% and now is expected also decline, but only by 1.2%. Also, this will have a high impact on the sterling. Also at 9:30 AM GMT, Bank of England will publish statistics about consumer inflation expectations, which were at 3.5% in a previous report. Analysts are expecting high impact on the sterling. Last news for today will be reported at 1:30 PM GMT. Bureau of Economic Analysis are going to release data about US trade balance. In a previous month, trade balance ended in a deficit of 51.8 billion and analysts are expecting a deficit but lower at 49.4 billion. In addition, high impact on the dollar can be awaited. We have almost reached the end of our broadcast. You can see now on your screen 3 tables about the best traders and trading strategies on Axiory, giving you the opportunity to join them. Glimpsy for franc yen remained unchanged, but Glimpsy for euro yen and Rikki Tikki Tavi FX continued in rises. Glimpsy stands at 1,125.5 pips and Rikki Tikki Tavi strategy rose to 489.2 pips compared to yesterday. FX multiplier in multi-trader added 0.15% and low risk invest gained 0.07% in a monthly basis. India rose on a second place compared to Thursday remained unchanged. On the downside, the biggest decline was recorded in LW trading, which fell 80%, but this was able to hold its first place. On the upside, Johnny Jang recorded rise 11% and Whitestone Asset 8%. And on this day in 1984, homosexuality was declared legal in the Australian state of New South Wales. Thanks for watching Axiory's news broadcast. Have a profitable day, a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.